officers say that they join the force to help people. It's not always people they're protecting. In one case in Plattsburgh, Missouri, an officer responded to a call to rescue a dog. It happened a couple of years ago, but we just got the tape from the police. They just released it. And as you'll see, the dog was grateful.
Hold on, buddy. Be still, be still. You don't think he's going to jump up and attack me, do you?
You can see the pup was tangled in a fence there, but Officer Nick Shepard grabbed a pair of wire cutters. And just look at that wagging tail. The dog obviously knew help had arrived.
Oh, come on.
The fence was a bit tough, but after a few seconds, it gave way.
Come here, come here, come here, come here.
He didn't listen, and at first Officer Shepard had trouble tracking down the dog.
Come here, pup.
Then he walked back to his car.
You gotta be kidding. I know this is probably not the best thing ever, but check out this video. Look where this dog just cut out of fence ran to.
Yup, doggy's in the driver's seat.
You wanna go with me?
Oh, the dog did. But there was some disagreement about where each of them would be sitting for the ride. Oh, the dog did. But there was some disagreement about where each of them would be sitting for the ride. That's better. Still left hair on the seat, though. The police tell us Officer Shepard left hair on the seat, though, to its owner and visited every now and then just to say hi to the pup he saved from the fence.